Welcome to my comprehensive review of PlanGuru, a financial planning and forecasting software designed for small businesses, nonprofits, and even individuals aiming to master their finances. From the moment you log in, PlanGuru greets you with an intuitive dashboard that organizes everything from income statements to cash flow analysis in one central hub. This tool is tailored for those who want more than just basic budgeting. It delivers professional-grade financial projections, making it a favorite among financial advisors and business owners alike. Point one of the standout features of PlanGuru is its robust forecasting capability. Whether you want to project your financials for 3 months or 10 years, the software allows you to set up assumptions and scenarios to test different outcomes. For example, if you're considering expanding your business or cutting costs in specific areas, PlanGuru helps you visualize the impact these decisions could have on your bottom line. This is especially helpful for startups looking to secure investor funding or established businesses planning for long-term growth. Navigating PlanGuru is relatively straightforward. You can either start from scratch or import your existing data from QuickBooks or Excel, saving you hours of manual input. The software also supports multiple methods for creating budgets, including percentage-based and fixed variable expense projections. Once you input your data, PlanGuru generates detailed reports and charts, which you can customize to suit your presentation style or audience needs. Another feature that sets PlanGuru apart is its analytics tools. The key performance indicators provide a snapshot of your financial health, helping you identify trends and make informed decisions. The software also offers benchmarking tools to compare your financial performance against industry standards, giving you insights into how your business measures up. For those new to financial planning, PlanGuru offers a wealth of tutorials, webinars, and support resources to get you started. The learning curve might be a bit steep for beginners, but the payoff is worth it once you grasp the fundamentals. The customer support team is also readily available to assist with any technical difficulties or questions about maximizing the software's features. In terms of pricing, PlanGuru might seem expensive compared to other financial software, but its features justify the cost for serious planners. The software comes with a free trial, so you can explore its capabilities before committing. Overall, PlanGuru is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful, versatile financial planning tool. Whether you're a small business owner, financial consultant, or individual looking to take control of your finances, this software offers the tools you need to plan with confidence and precision. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest financial tools. Let me know in the comments if you've tried PlanGuru and what your experience was like. Thanks for watching.